In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Nintendo Switch 2 screen is freezing or unresponsive to touch. So the first thing you want to do is press and hold the power button on the top of your Switch until it shuts off fully by itself. So this will take about 10 seconds, and once it's shut off, the next thing you want to do is remove any micro SD card as well as game card from your Switch. And then what you want to do is turn your system back on. So once it's back on, we're going to come to the home menu, and you want to scroll down and go to System Settings. From here, scroll down to System, and then scroll over to System Update. And you want to update your system to the latest version, and same thing with your dock if it's plugged into it. Now, if that doesn't work either, turn off your Switch again, and you want to press and hold the up volume button and down volume button, and then just tap the power button once. So continue holding these volume buttons until you enter into recovery mode. So once you're here, you want to scroll down, and we're going to go to Restore Settings and Keep User Data. So this is going to delete all data on your system, except for save files, screenshots, videos, and user information. So just follow the prompts on screen and see if it fixes your issue. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.